Naniniwala ka ba sa multitasking? This is Sunny of Sunrise 75 Channel, the home of educational and positive videos. Mga kaibigan, this is what I'm going to share to you, and this is not just from me. This is from Gary Keller from the book, The One Thing. Maraming mga taong naniniwala na okay lang yung multitasking at nasanay na sila sa multitasking. Pero ang mga ideyang ito ay hindi lang siya product of assumption, but product of study or studies conducted for this purpose. From this book, I'd like to share this part about distraction that undermines results. Ayan. So, ang sabi dito, when you try to do much at once, you can end up doing nothing well. Figure out what matters most in the moment and give it your undivided attention. So, maraming nagsasabi na sanay na sila sa multitasking, okay lang, kayang-kaya nilang gawin, but of course, we only have one brain, especially kapag yung ginagawa natin ay nagre-require ng isang mas matinding focus and attention. So, kailangan natin na magkaroon ng focus, isipin ano yung ating ginagawa, and we have to give our undivided attention para mas maganda yung resulta ng ating ginagawa. Bakit minsan hindi ganun kaganda ang quality, ang results, ang output ng ating ginagawa? Because we are so distracted. May mga iba ba dyan or marami ba sa ating dyan ang distracted sa napakaraming bagay sa mundo? Parang dito lang sa lugar na ito. Ang dami mong maririnig, ang daming taong dumadaan, ang daming ginagawa ng mga tao. If you're going to allow yourself to be distracted by everything around, then you cannot focus in saying something and delivering the messages. Ayan. So parang ganun lang. That's why you need to focus, you need to decide, you have to make sure na yung ginagawa mo ay nandun yung attention mo despite all the distractions around. Marami tayong dapat matutunan dyan. Ang sabi dyan, we have to focus our undivided attention for better results. Once again, this is Sunny of Sunrise 75 Channel saying thank you very much and see you in my next vlog.